and welcome back to Cooking Sazzy's Way. So this evening, guys, we're going to be making vegetable fried rice and some chicken in this new sauce I have just bought from the farm. So I've got my produce from the farm this week as well, and this is the Warwickshire Chili Tree Nuclear Naga Chilli Sauce. So this is from Stafford upon Avon, and I am going to be trying this in my chicken this evening. We're going to have wraps with it. So let's get cooking. Right, so that's the oil heated up. I'm going to add in the chicken. Let this cook for a little minute. Right, so I'm going to add a couple of cloves of garlic to the mix. A couple in there. Alright, we've got 3 garlic cloves going in here now. Garlic cooking with the chicken. I'm losing some chicken escaping. All cooking up nicely. Yummy, yummy. All that garlic in there. Throw a few peppers in with the chicken. Put 3 yellow ones in there as well. Give that a good old mix. Lovely stuff. Yum, yum, yum. Have some Italian seasoning going in here. Add that to the mix. Oh, it's looking yummy. Looking yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, it's smelling delicious, I must say. Oh, if you could smell this now, you would be in heaven. Just a few ingredients, the aromas that come flying are absolutely beautiful. You want to leave this on a low heat for about 10 minutes or so. And then we'll start adding some more ingredients. I'll get back to you in a moment, guys. Right, so our chicken is done. We're going to add some ginger, a little bit of ginger. We're going to add some coriander powder. We're going to add some turmeric, not throw it all over the side. I'm going to add some turmeric. And then the secret ingredient of this beautiful chicken that I'm making. Let's try. This is supposed to be really, really hot. So 1 or 2 drops is enough, apparently. So let's mix it all up. I'm going to need to add a little bit of water to this. Let's just get it all covered. That is smelling yummy already, guys. Now I'll add a bit more turmeric to this. There we go. Ooh. Right. We need a little bit of water in here. Add a little bit of water. Just a little bit, not a lot. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is going to be absolutely delish. We need a little bit of salt and pepper. Some salt. And some pepper. And we want some smoked paprika in here, guys. Let's give it a few minutes to cook in this. Couple of minutes, and then this should be ready, the chicken. And then we will get on to the rice. Oh, I missed an ingredient. Want a little bit of soy sauce in here. Have I got a soy sauce open already? I have indeed. Right, a little bit of soy sauce in here. There we go. And keep the open one out and put the closed one back away. Right, a little bit of soy sauce. So remember, Sazzy does things very differently. Let's see. Leave this for a couple of minutes and we'll give it a little taste test. And we'll get onto the rice. Right, we're back. So I've added some cream to this. So it's a little bit creamy. And let's give it a little bit of a taste test. A little piece of chicken. I'll give it a taste test. Mmm. Mmm. That is nice. Right, so we're going to start on the rice. Let's heat up the oil. I'm just starting the rice. I'm just going to add the garlic. So we've got 3 lots of garlic in here. 3 garlic cloves. Oh, just add that in there. There we go. Lovely jubbler. 3 garlic cloves. Peppers. This recipe is best done with day-old rice, really. If I'm honest, better off with day-old rice. Let's get this moving. Now we are going to add in a minute the rice to this. Just let them soften up a little minute. Let's add the rice. I'm just going to add some of this rice. There we go. That should be plenty. I'm going to add the broccoli. Got some broccoli here. I have used frozen broccoli this time round. Give that a bit of a stir. Where's my nice spoon? There we go. Right, let's get this broccoli in. We've got more broccoli. Use all the stem and everything. It's all goodness, guys. All goodness. There we go. So that's the broccoli added. Yum, yum. So we're just going to fry this off for a good few minutes. I'm going to add in some rice vinegar. Oh, a little lot there. And I'm going to add in some soy sauce. Plenty of soy sauce. There we go. and some toasted sesame oil, and I'm going to add some paprika. There we go. Right. Let's get that going. Let's get that rocking. See how we get on with this. Like I say, it is better with day-old rice, this one. Lovely jubbler. It's cooking up nice. Let's get them broccolis a bit smaller. Couple of them a little bit smaller. Yeah, quite big then. There we go. Cooking with gas. Right. Everything's flipping everywhere. Hey guys, love ya. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy. Lovely stuff. It's looking lovely. Right, we're going to add some of this harissa seasoning. Here we go. Absolutely wonderful. Right, rice, chicken, Moroccan hummus and coleslaw. Should have done some wedges. Yummy, yummy.